Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to blend two images into one image seamlessly using Photoshop. So here I have taken two images, both of different dimensions. So first what you need to do is you need to make adjustments to both the image. Click on hit filter and then click on camera raw filter, and you can press auto, but auto doesn't work well on the time, so hit Ctrl plus Z and adjust the matrix manually. I'm going to add a bit of texture, a bit of clarity, go to detail, add sharpening, add a bit of noise reduction and hit enter. This looks better. Now go to the same image and you can hit camera raw filter, light, exposure, make subtle changes as you feel. Sharpening and noise reduction, hit enter. So now as both of these images have been edited, now right click and hit on flatten image or merge visible. So I'm going to flatten image and then create another copy. You can drag to the plus icon and now click on the rectangular marquee tool and select between the edges of both the images. Hit generative fill and write blend, and as you can see, Photoshop did quite a good job at this. I really like this one. So both the images have been blended properly on one single image. I hope this video helped. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.